So this is how you install a SelloRama software on a Windows system. So first you'll need the files on a USB drive or download it on your desktop or anywhere on your computer. Now once you have those available, you'll click on your USB drive. Now you'll go into the SelloRama GX setup and you'll need to install first all this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, all of this files. So first we'll start off with access data with engine. Yes. Accept. Next. Install. Okay. Second one. And you'll have to select only the option that's in the middle. And then always make sure the green USB that you get as a licensing one needs to be installed only after this files are installed. So hit OK, and then installation type will always be standalone. You'll select begin install, do next, finish, and close. And hit yes, OK, and then this file, OK, next, no thanks, next, install, yes, then finish. Then you have SelloRama GX. Next, just keep the same format. Everything, just keep on pressing next. Yes. And then close. And then we'll go into the pause link install file. Click on core. And then next. I agree. Yes. And then close. And then go back again. We'll click on updates. And then you'll select all the files. We'll copy all the files. Go back to this PC. You need to look for a POS setup, SelloRama GX folder. Click on there and then copy and paste all the files that you just copied from updates file, and you'll click on replace the files in destination. Okay, and then you can go back here, SelloRama GX. You can first create a shortcut on your desktop folder, actually. Okay, you'll select here, right click, send to desktop, and then you'll select here again, and select send to, so you do pin to start, and then you'll select pin to taskbar, so it will come up here as well. And once everything is done, you can select here and open the POS. Now this is where you put in your USB license key, which is the green one. Plug it in, and then we'll try to restart it again. Just hit OK, and this one will auto-populate. You just have to click on enter, and then we can later on go ahead and install the new cashiers and everything.